Hi everyone, sharing with you my unboxing of Apple TV's 4K device. This is just my second Apple TV after, I think the one I use right now, it's the second gen. I'm not sure, first or second gen. Basta it's really old. So this time let's try the 4K version and let's open it. Okay, of course, typical Apple. They use plain box but really clean design, small box, and see what's inside. Okay. Whoop. Yeah. Here you go. Of course, there's the wow. Feels solid. This one. It's the newer design. It has vents underneath the device, I guess, to help with the heat management of the Apple TV. Okay, and there's also the new remote. This one, new remote. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's good. And let's see what else is inside. Of course, the usual, yeah, the Apple stickers. This one. Cord. And what else? Power cord. This is the USB to lightning power cord. And that's it. To use this, you have to take this out. Wow. Just a note, the box does not come with its own HDMI, so you have to provide your own HDMI. So there's, for the power, the HDMI outlet, and I think this is for the LAN. Clean design, as you would expect from Apple. Oops, I forgot to take this off. There, this is the Apple design. Cute, huh? Even the sticker underneath, it's an apple, and there's an Apple logo. Cute, very solid. Let me compare it with my really old, my first gen Apple TV remote. Now it has a dedicated power button. Feels more solid, more high quality, and probably I'll just explore the other buttons later on. I'll show you. There's the unboxing of Apple's 4K Apple TV.